Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to close your Revolut account. So if you want to close or delete it, it's pretty simple. So here we are in Revolut Help, and to close your account, these are the requirements. You must have the latest version of the Revolut app installed, and you have to have all your currency accounts, including your crypto, have a balance of zero. So transfer it out if you haven't done that, and you have to clear your savings. You have to sell all your commodities, downgrade your plan to standard, and close your investment accounts. You have no pending transactions, active subscriptions, and anything that can be charged or billed. So you have no active account, and you have no insurance through Revolut and no chargeback request. If you meet all the requirements above that's written right here, you can tap your profile icon in the top left corner, select the account, and tap close account. It's going to ask you if you want to close your account, and you can do so already. So once you have done that, you will have to just close it. That's it. And from there you go. They're gonna have to give you an email that you have closed your account and you have succeeded. And it's just that simple. So you must have all these requirements right here to close your account in Revolut before proceeding so. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.